Fun Plus TV. Animals Gender Wordbook. Masculine and feminine animal name with picture. Let's explore this topic together. Masculine, feminine. Dog, dog. Beach, bee. Drone, queen. Cow, bull, cow. Goat, buck, doe. Pig, boar, sow. Elephant, bull, cow. Duck, drake, duck. Chicken, rooster, hen. Cat, tom. Queen, tiger, tiger. Tigress, goose. Gander, goose. Peafowl, peacock. Peahen, rabbit. Buck, doe. Lion, lion, lioness. Bear, boar, sow. Camel, bull, cow. Kangaroo, boomer. Flyer, horse. Stallion, mare. Fox, dog. Vixen, leopard, leopard. Leopardess, deer. Stag, doe. Sheep, ram. Ewe, donkey. Jack, jenny. Wolf, dog. Beach, swan, cub. Pen, zebra, stallion, mare. Thanks for watching.